Hello friends, today's topic 6 factors to see while investing money in mutual funds. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Investing in mutual funds for long term is one of the ways to create wealth apart from direct stock investing. Both can be lucrative depending on your knowledge of stock markets and mutual funds. For stocks, you need to know how to do fundamental analysis, whereas for mutual funds, there are some other factors to check. Following are some of the factors to consider before investing in mutual funds. 1. Understand your investment goals. Unless you understand what's the objective or goal of investing, you will not be successful. The goals could be long-term wealth creation, regular income, or capital preservation, etc. Based on this, you can select the fund category. Broadly, the fund type can be shortlisted based on the following. For long-term wealth creation, equity funds. For regular income, SWP from debt and hybrid funds. For capital preservation, debt or low-risk hybrid funds. Second factor, assess your risk appetite. Different mutual funds have different levels of risk. SEBI has mandated mutual funds to disclose the risk levels such as low, moderate, high risk, etc. Equity funds have higher risk but have potential for higher returns for the long term. Debt funds are relatively safer and provide low to moderate returns. Hybrid funds contain both equity and debt instruments, and hence the risk is based on what is the proportion of equity in the fund. Don't select a fund based on what returns it may give, but decide based on what suits your risk appetite. Many investors don't have much risk appetite but invest in the most risky funds and then regret their mistake. Third factor, check long-term historical data. It is said that past performance does not guarantee future results. However, by analyzing the past performance of various funds, we will know how consistent the performance has been. You can check the historical returns for various 3, 5 or 10 years and also compare it to peer funds and benchmarks. Fourth factor, evaluate the fund manager's track record. A fund manager's experience and strategy is very important for investors to study about. See their track record, what is their past experience, and how his or her funds have performed. Many times, fund manager is changed and a new fund manager is appointed. You can check if he has been managing any other fund in the past and how that fund has performed. 5. All funds of a fund house may not be doing well. Many investors assume that if a fund of a particular fund house is doing well, then all funds of the fund may be doing well. This need not be true. Usually it is seen that one large cap fund may be good in fund house A, but mid cap fund may be good in fund house B, and so on. So no need to over depend on any particular fund house. Sixth and the last factor to consider for investing in mutual fund is, are you planning lump sum or SIP? You need to decide whether you are planning a lump sum amount or SIP or both. Based on that, you can do some research and select which kind of fund is suitable. Usually, if you plan lump sum amount, it is better to spread the amount over a few months to take advantage of the market volatility. Equity funds are not usually best suited for one short lump sum investment unless markets have fallen significantly. Many people think that mutual fund investing is easy, but it is quite difficult due to the vast choice of schemes and lack of awareness for fund suitability and subsequent monitoring. End of the video, here is the question. If you have invested in mutual fund, which type of funds have you invested in? Type in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.